Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy sheet in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Duplicating a sheet here in Smartsheet is a straightforward process. But the thing is, duplicating a well-designed sheet to apply to the same structure and format to a new project or task is a common practice that is being used here in this platform, because you can always use an existing sheet as a foundation for a new project, maintaining consistency across projects. Now, once you are here on the main page of the Smartsheet account, just navigate to the Smartsheet that you want to duplicate. In my case, this is going to be the file. I'm gonna click on it, and then now you see on the left hand pane, these are the sheets that has been listed on your dashboard. Okay, I want you to right click on the name that you want to, you see that, want to duplicate. You can go to the file and click on save as new. All right, maybe this is gonna be duplicate. It's kind of redundant, but for the video purposes, I'm gonna name it as, no, I believe the character has limitations. Now, you can name the duplicate on whatever file name you wanted. But of course, you can save it in the specific worksheet that you wanted to, a workspace that you wanted. For example, Dev Laughs or Untitled Workspace. You can choose on that. Let me do that right now. Click on OK. You have sharing options wherein you can share that to a lot of people. This is very useful if you're working with multiple freelancers, with a client, with your team members, or if you're working for a big organization. You can choose the automated workflow and alert options. If you want to just include all of the options here, check that. And about the data and formatting options, if you want to copy the sheet data and formatting like comments, attachments, cell links, cross-reference, and a lot more. All right. The idea is you can quickly replicate a workflow or process across different teams or departments by duplicating sheet and sharing that to them. It's one of the best way on leveraging the platform in terms of the duplication and copying. All right. Once you've done that, just share it to the people that you're working with, and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.